Thunder. There's one. Yep. Oh, that was awesome. What is up, everybody? I am on the river. I'm doing a little smallmouth bass fishing. It's springtime. There's actually a little bit of rain today. It got a little rainy, but the river's ripping. We're gonna see if we can get some smallmouth and have ourselves a little bit of a day. So let's catch some fish. Oh, there's one. Holy crap. Oh, it's a steelhead. Steelhead smolt. Oh, hold up, bud. You're going crazy. Ah, there he goes. Little steelhead smolt smoked it. Woo, there we go. Smallie. Nice smallie. There we go. Smallmouth bass, little one. Small but mighty. There's one. Oh, there we go. That's a better fish. There we go. Nice smallmouth underneath that rock. That was awesome. Look at that, little smallmouth. Gorgeous little one. Feisty. Throw him back in there. It's getting a little rainy. There's one. Yep. There's a fish. Ooh, smallie. Nice. Nice smallmouth. Love smallmouth. And it is raining. It's starting to come down now. There's one. Oh my God. I saw that fish ate it. That was sweet. Another smallmouth. Gorgeous red eye. Love that red eye on those smallmouth. All right, bud. See you later. Oh, there's one. Nice little smallmouth. Oh yeah. Nice. On the twister tail. Gorgeous little smallmouth in a thunderstorm. We'll release him. See you later. God, I love smallmouth. There's one. Oh, oh, he smoked it. A little sporty on this one. It's a nicer fish. Oh God, I love those red eyes. Oh yeah. And the rain's coming down. Gorgeous little smallmouth. Love smallmouth. Back you go. See you later, bud. Thunder. There's one. Yep. Oh, that was awesome. That's a shaky smallie. Nice looking fish. Gorgeous looking smallmouth. Oh. Look at that. Football, small football smallmouth. All right, bud. See you later. Rain's still coming down. There's one. Oh, that's a stud. That's a nice smallie. It's a big fish. Oh, it's a nice one. Where you at, smallie? This is a big smallmouth. Oh my gosh, let's go. That's a nice fish. Oh my God. What a football of a fish. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. What a football of a fish. Gosh, I love smallmouth. Look at that smallmouth. In the rain. I mean, you cannot beat that. What a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Yeah, it's coming down now. Woo! Look at it. Sun's poking out over there, but it's a little bit rainy. There's one. Nice. Nice smallmouth. Gosh, I love smallmouth so much. I was half sleeping on this one. Chunky little monkey. Nice looking fish. Ooh, look at this one, got a wound of some sorts. Nice little creek smallie. See you, bud. Bald eagle. What's up, bald eagle? That's really cool. It's probably one of the closer times I've ever been to a bald eagle. That was awesome. Jurassic Park forest up in here. Ferns out the wazoo. Love that. And the rain is still going. Not gonna slow us down though. There's one. Oh, stud. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh, really pretty colors on it. Nice size fish. Look at that fish. Gorgeous looking smallmouth. Oh my gosh, it's chunky. That thing is a football sized. Wow. Look at that smallmouth. Whoop. Oh my gosh. Jeez. What a gorgeous looking smallmouth. Holy moly. Gorgeous looking fish. Wow, really pretty. About as long as my arm, however long that is. Maybe we can get a measure on it. But wow. What a pretty smallmouth. All right, back you go. See ya. There's one. Woo! Nice. Gosh, that's a nice fish. Oh my gosh, acrobatic. Oh, right in front of that rock. It was sitting. So acrobatic. Gorgeous looking fish. Oh my lordy. Woo! Look at that. Gorgeous looking smallmouth. Wow. Does not get much, ow, stabbed me. Does not get much better than that. Beautiful looking fish, pristine, red eye. Back to the wild. Might have had a nick on it. Oh, I'm not getting that out. No way. Ah, I threw it right on that log. Oh, oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, gosh. Ah, I threw it right on that log. Oh, oh, that hurts so bad. Oh my God, I'm so, ow. That came right back at me. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh, it totally smoked me. I am so excited that it didn't get through in the hook though. Oh, it came like a bullet. Oh, that hurt. There's one. There we go. Feeling the head shakes. They're all sitting in that little pool right there. He's feisty, he's a fighter. Gorgeous looking smallmouth though. Ooh, yeah. All right. Ooh, Okay, okay, okay. Nice. Another beautiful smallmouth. Ow, that hurt my leg. Beautiful. This one looks super pristine. Not as big as the other ones, but still gorgeous. See you later, bud. There's one. Oh, I let that one drop a little bit and it's smoke. Oh, a little bit and it's smoke. Oh. Gosh, this thing just wants to keep on hitting me. That's funny. Let's bend this hook back a little bit. It's a nice little fish. I let it drop a little bit and it was kind of sitting in that little pocket. There's one. Oh my gosh, that thing is a tank. That is the biggest smallmouth. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. That thing is an absolute tank of a smallmouth. Oh, that's a big, big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, I gotta, oh my gosh. I mean, that's one of my bigger smallmouths ever. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. What an absolute stud of a fish. Oh my gosh. Now that is a beast of a smallmouth. I mean, look at that thing. Holy crap. I mean, way bigger than my arm. There's my arm stretched out. I mean, this goes up to my bicep. Let's see on the rod. Let's get a quick measurement on the rod. Wow. Okay. Pretty much up to the writing right there. What a hammer of a smallmouth. Gorgeous looking fish. All right, bud. Back you go. Wow. All right, that's gonna be the end of the day. Ended up catching a bunch of smallmouth. It was super fun. But that little rainstorm kind of brought the river up and now it's kind of getting unfishable. If I can't really see the pockets and I don't really know where they're sitting, it's kind of fishing a little bit blind. So I think I'm gonna head back. Beautiful day though. Yeah, it's the first time I fished in a thunderstorm and actually was catching fish. The ticket of the day was that jig and a twister tail. It's just that old-fashioned combo you just can't beat. Thank you everybody so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate everyone's support. I love making these videos. It's so fun being outside. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Ducks flying in. Mergansers.